Now let's start off with Newlands octaves. Now, John Newland was a chemist who had established himself as an analytical chemist in the year 1864. He went on to work for James Duncan's London sugar refinery in the year 1868. Now, within this time, he had made quite a few improvements in the processes of the refinery. Apart from that, he also had significant input and contributions to the periodic table. Now, John Newland was one of the first to suggest arranging the elements according to the relative atomic masses. He started off arranging all the elements in an increasing order of its atomic weight. He started off from the lowest, which is hydrogen, and ended up at thorium, which was the highest. Now, in his arrangement, he noticed that the properties of the elements repeat after every age. So this was a periodic repetition of the properties. He compared these to the octaves of the music. Now, in the Indian music industry, we are quite well versed with the octaves sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, and then again you get sa, which is a repetitive. Now, the similar way, he suggested that the properties repeat themselves at every eighth element, no matter where you start from. Now, if you look at the table carefully, you would understand that lithium and sodium are both under the octave re, and hence suggest that have similar properties. Fluorine and chlorine are again under the similar of sa, and suggest that they have similar properties. Now, even though this looked like a big success for John Newland and his theory of octaves, but soon it had to face a rejection. The reason being that John Newland never considered that there could ever be more elements than 56. And when people would come up with more or new elements, he would try to fit them into the periodic table by accommodating more than one element in one column. And usually it was seen that these elements would have properties which were pole apart. And hence, sooner or later, this had to be rejected.